If the motor on your mini prep is not running, there may be two reasons. First, you may not have the bowl assembled properly. In order to make sure you have it assembled properly, make sure that it's fully engaged and that the lid is completely engaged onto the bowl. So the other thing that you may need to do if your motor isn't running and you're absolutely sure it's assembled properly is you may need to reset your motor. In order to do that, unplug the unit. You're going to remove the lid and the bowl with the blade, put it aside. You're going to plug the unit back in like so. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take a pencil, and there's a little like a button here. You can see it says some give. This is the mechanism that locks the bowl in place and makes it operable. So you're going to press this down with a pencil, hold it in place, and at the same time press the chop button. And you'll notice your center stem is actually rotating. That means that you've reset the motor. Now what you're going to do is you're going to reassemble the unit like so, making sure that it's properly engaged and in place, and you'll be able to operate your mini prep.